Hey there, folks! Are you ready to dive into a story of rags to riches and uncover the secret that turned someone from a financial struggler to an affiliate marketing millionaire? Well, here's an eye-opener. Did you know that the affiliate marketing industry is projected to be worth over $8 billion by 2022? Now that's a massive pot of gold waiting to be shared. But that's not even the best part. Our speaker today went from being flat broke to living the life of their dreams, all thanks to affiliate marketing. So stay tuned because we're about to spill the beans on the secret that can potentially change your life too. Ready to discover the path from financial hardship to unimaginable success? Let's get started. Before starting, please subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. Alright, let's get to know our man of the hour, James. He's not your typical millionaire. In fact, he started from scratch, just like many of us. James grew up in a small town, struggling to make ends meet. Bills piling up, dreams on hold, and the bank account hitting rock bottom. But then he stumbled upon a game changer, affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, what the heck is affiliate marketing? It's like recommending your favorite restaurant to a friend, and when they go, you get a cut of their bill. Imagine doing that on the internet, and the potential for income is limitless. James didn't have a fancy degree or oodles of cash to invest, but he had an idea and a laptop. Think of it this way. James is like the guy next door who found a way to turn his passion into profit. If he can do it, so can you. So let's dig into James' journey and uncover the secrets of affiliate marketing that turned his life around. 1. The early days of struggle. James, just like many of us, started from the bottom. He had bills piling up, dreams on hold, and a bank account that could barely catch its breath. It's the kind of struggle that hits close to home for many people out there. 2. Key turning points. But here's where it gets interesting. James didn't give up. He stumbled upon affiliate marketing, and that was the game changer. It was like finding a hidden treasure chest. Affiliate marketing became his ticket out of financial turmoil. 3. Challenges faced. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. James had to tackle numerous challenges. The online world can be daunting, but he didn't let that scare him away. Instead, he faced it head-on. 4. Motivation and determination. What kept James going? It was his unshakable motivation and determination. He had a vision of a better life, and he was determined to turn it into reality. That drive is what separates the dreamers from the doers. So James' journey is one of relatable struggle, remarkable turning points, overcoming challenges, and the unwavering spirit to succeed. Stay tuned because there's more to this incredible story, and we're about to uncover the secrets that led James to his affiliate marketing success. Now let's uncover James' journey to becoming an affiliate marketing millionaire. It's a story of grit, determination, and impressive financial milestones. 1. Starting from scratch. James began like many of us, struggling to make ends meet. But when he ventured into affiliate marketing, things started to change. 2. Early success. James hit some key milestones along the way. In the first year, he managed to earn $100,000. Not bad, right? But he didn't stop there. Within 2 years, he had reached an astonishing $500,000 in earnings. 3. The $1 million mark. The big moment came when James broke the $1 million mark. It wasn't an overnight success, but his relentless efforts and strategic approach paid off big time. He's a living example of what's possible in the world of affiliate marketing. 4. Financial benefits and freedom. With these earnings, James transformed his life. He gained the financial freedom to live on his terms, travel the world, and enjoy the perks of financial success. He's not just a millionaire, he's living the dream. James' story is a testament to the potential of affiliate marketing to change lives and secure financial freedom. It shows that with dedication and the right strategies, anyone can make it in this field. So stay tuned as we continue to explore the secrets that led James to his remarkable journey of success. Achieving financial milestones. James' path to affiliate marketing millionaire. 1. The starting point. James began just like many of us, facing financial struggles. But when he ventured into affiliate marketing, his life took a new direction. 2. Hitting the milestones. James didn't waste any time. In his first year, he achieved an impressive $100,000 in earnings. It's a testament to his hard work and the potential of affiliate marketing. But that was just the beginning. 3. The $500,000 mark. Within 2 years, James had reached a jaw-dropping $500,000 in earnings. The key to his success. It's a combination of strategy, dedication, and the right approach. 4. The Millionaires Club. The moment that changed everything was when James broke the $1 million mark. It wasn't an overnight success, but his unwavering determination paid off in a big way. 5. Financial freedom. With these earnings, James gained something invaluable: financial freedom. He now has the freedom to live life on his terms, travel, and enjoy the perks of financial success. He's not just a millionaire, he's living the dream. James' journey is proof that with the right strategies, anyone can make it in the world of affiliate marketing. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the secrets that led James to this remarkable journey of success. Here's some golden advice from James to help you on your journey to success. Mindset matters. Success starts in your mind. You've got to believe in yourself and your abilities. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about building a sustainable business. Keep a positive mindset, and it will take you far. Discipline is the bridge. Discipline isn't just a word, it's the bridge that connects your dreams to reality. Stay committed to your goals, create a routine, and stick to it. This discipline will keep you on track. Hard work and dedication. There's no such thing as an overnight success in affiliate marketing. It's going to take dedication, determination, and hard work. You might not see immediate gratification, but every effort you put in will count toward your ultimate goal. Stay persistent. Embarking on the journey towards success is akin to navigating a winding and unpredictable road. The path is seldom smooth, marked by unexpected twists and turns that test our resolve. In these moments, it's crucial to remember that setbacks are not roadblocks but stepping stones. Each stumble is a setup for a powerful comeback. Take inspiration from the story of James, an individual who faced adversity but emerged triumphant. Let his journey be a testament to the undeniable truth that, just like James, you too can overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Stay persistent, weather the storms, and let perseverance be your secret weapon, propelling you forward even when the road gets tough. Seek guidance. In the pursuit of success, the wisdom of mentors and valuable resources can serve as guiding lights, illuminating the path ahead. James too discovered the transformative power of seeking guidance. There is immense value in learning from those who have walked the same path before you, gaining insights from their experiences and avoiding potential pitfalls. Don't hesitate to reach out to mentors who can share their knowledge, offer support, and provide invaluable advice. By leveraging the collective wisdom of those who have navigated similar journeys, you equip yourself with the tools needed to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of your chosen path. Seek guidance, embrace the collective knowledge available, and empower yourself on your journey to success. So there you have it, the blueprint for success in affiliate marketing. Keep these words of wisdom close, stay focused, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your dreams. That's a wrap, folks. You've just received a treasure trove of wisdom from James on affiliate marketing. But remember, knowledge alone won't make you a success. You need to take action. Put those affiliate marketing tips and strategies into practice. Start small, test the waters, and gradually scale your efforts. Success in affiliate marketing comes to those who are persistent and consistent. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video valuable. Subscribe to stay updated with more content from James, and be sure to share this video with anyone looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Sharing is caring after all. So go out there, implement what you've learned, and embark on your journey to affiliate marketing success. Remember, you've got this. Before we wrap things up, I've got one important message for you. If you're serious about making your mark in affiliate marketing, it's time to take that first step. Start by implementing the strategies we discussed today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there's no such thing. Your journey begins now. So here's my call to action. Go out there, take action, and keep learning and growing. The world of affiliate marketing is full of opportunities, and the sooner you dive in, the sooner you'll start reaping the rewards.